The front trunk actuator is two parts. The latch actuator is located under the front trim piece. Just lift the trim piece up and out of the way to access it. We have removed the front bumper for photographic purposes only. You do not need to remove the bumper to perform this work. Begin by removing the front trunk carpet trim piece. Go to one of the corners where the side carpet trim meets the front carpet trim. Locate the seam of the side trim and pull it slightly away. Then along the top where the front trim runs, along the rubber liner, pull the top edge of the trim out. You may need to use a trim removal tool if this is the first time the carpet trim is being removed. You only need to peel back enough trim to gain access to the two screws holding the trunk actuator in place, red arrows. Use a 10mm socket to remove these screws. Release the electrical connection by squeezing in on the two clips, red arrows, and separating the connection. This will allow you to easily lift out the trunk actuator and the latch assembly. With the assembly pulled out, locate and unscrew the two T15 Torx screws, red arrows, holding the actuator to the base plate. You only need to unscrew enough for the screws to release and slide out of the base plate holes. Remove the trunk actuator from the trunk latch assembly. The only thing left holding onto the actuator is a metal hook, red arrow, that connects to the emergency release line. To release, simply push the hook all the way back into its mount. Then lift and slide it out of the slit indicated by the red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.